Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will take a look at Metamask's updated privacy policy. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So Consensys, the company that owns Metamask, just updated its privacy policy to state that they are collecting your IP address and your Ethereum address when you send a transaction. As you can see from this sentence, when you use Infra as your default RPC provider in Metamask, Infra will collect your IP address and your Ethereum wallet address when you send a transaction. And this is totally unacceptable. Metamask is one of the most used and popular Web3 wallets and may be the best tool to make anonymous transactions online. But with this updated privacy policy, they are basically turning it into a traditional centralized payment system. And let's also have a look at here. Further information you give us in relation to the CodeFi site and CodeFi services. Further information we collect from you in relation to the CodeFi site and CodeFi services may include further identity information such as your country of birth, nationality, social security number, place of birth, employer and occupation, photo ID for identity verification purposes, information required to comply with anti-money laundering laws and know your customer requirements, and source of funds for participating in token launches. So this basically means if you use Metamask with Infra RPC, your Metamask will simply become a traditional centralized payment system because they're going to be able to track your IP address and your Ethereum wallet address when you send a transaction. Now I will give you a few tips to prevent Metamask from collecting your IP address. So the first method you can use is to use a VPN. That way they cannot track your IP address. We will upload more tutorial videos about this matter and help you keep your anonymity. Secondly, you can use other wallets such as Trust Wallet and Coinbase Wallet. You can check out our Trust Wallet tutorial video from the cards. We will upload tutorial videos of each and every single Web3 wallet to keep you safe. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on. And the third method is you can change your RPC if you would still like to use Metamask. We posted a thread on our Twitter page for you guys. You can follow these instructions step by step to change your RPC from Infra to Alchemy. We explained what are the differences between Alchemy and Infra, and here you can see the step-by-step instructions. Just follow these instructions and you will change your RPC from Infra to Alchemy, so this way Metamask will not be able to track your IP address on your transactions. If you need help or have a question in your mind, you can always ask us in the comments or in our Telegram channels. You can find all the links to our socials in the description box below. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And make sure to check out our website from the links in the description box below. You can start your crypto training completely for free from our website. Just open up our website from the links in the description box below. Scroll down to this part, click on Start Training. This way you will start your crypto training completely for free, and at the end you will become a coin engineer. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.